Welcome to a fascinating journey through the world of birds in India. In this video, we'll explore the highlights from Dr. Raju Kasam's ebook, 100 Common Birds in India. This guide is designed for everyone from amateur birdwatchers to students and nature lovers. India's diverse habitats are home to a stunning variety of birds, many of which you can spot right in your backyard or local park. Whether you're new to birding or looking to deepen your knowledge, this series will introduce you to the most widespread and recognizable species across the country. Let's begin our adventure into the vibrant world of Indian birds and discover what makes them so special. Dr. Raju Kasam, a passionate ornithologist and educator, is the mind behind this comprehensive ebook. With years of experience in bird conservation and education, Dr. Kasam has dedicated his work to making bird knowledge accessible to all. His efforts, supported by the Wildlife and Environment Conservation Society, have resulted in widely used resources for budding birdwatchers. The book is open access, meaning its content can be freely used for educational purposes. Dr. Kasam's mission is to inspire a new generation of nature lovers and bird enthusiasts across India, ensuring that the joy of bird watching reaches every corner of the country. Ebook is thoughtfully organized to guide readers through the essentials of birdwatching. It starts with a list of the 100 bird species described, followed by a preface, acknowledgments, and sections on the basics of birdwatching, bird morphology, and the importance of birds. You'll also find chapters on bird migration studies, detailed species descriptions, and important references. This structure ensures that both beginners and seasoned birders can find valuable information, from practical tips to scientific insights. The book's open access nature encourages sharing and learning, making it a valuable resource for educational communities. Birdwatching, or birding, has become a beloved hobby worldwide. In India, it's gaining popularity among people of all ages. Birding tours are now a significant part of the tourism industry, connecting people with nature and promoting conservation. The science of studying birds is called ornithology. Dr. Kasam's book aims to make birding accessible by focusing on species with wide distribution, so anyone can start observing birds wherever they are. By embracing digital media and social platforms, the book reaches a broader audience, inspiring more people to appreciate and protect India's avian diversity. Passing on wildlife knowledge to the next generation is crucial. While printed books are valuable, digital resources can reach more people, especially the youth who are active online. Dr. Kasam's ebook is designed to be easily accessible and shareable, ensuring that information about common birds spreads widely. The book also addresses changes in bird nomenclature, providing both old and alternate names to avoid confusion. By making bird knowledge available in digital form, the author hopes to foster a new wave of bird enthusiasts and conservationists across India. Creation of this ebook was a collaborative effort. Dr. Kasam extends heartfelt thanks to fellow birdwatchers, photographers, and conservationists who contributed their expertise, photographs, and support. The book features images from many talented individuals, making it visually engaging and informative. Special thanks go to organizations like the Wildlife and Environment Conservation Society and the Bombay Natural History Society, whose support made this publication possible. This spirit of collaboration highlights the importance of community in advancing bird conservation and education. Birds play a vital role as indicators of ecosystem health. A sudden change in bird diversity or numbers often signals a shift in the environment. As Dr. Salim Ali famously said, birds can survive without humans, but humans may not survive without birds. Birds help maintain ecological balance, and their presence or absence can reveal much about the state of nature. Observing birds not only brings joy but also deepens our understanding of the natural world and our place within it. Don't need to travel far to enjoy bird watching. Birds are everywhere around your home, in gardens, parks, and even along city roads. Each location has its own resident species, so you can start observing right where you are. If you have more time, explore grasslands, scrublands, or nearby ponds. By focusing on local birds and noting their behaviors, you'll gain a deeper appreciation for their lives and habitats. Birdwatching is truly an activity for everyone, no matter where you live. Timing is key in birdwatching. Most birds are active early in the morning and in the evening, making these the best times to observe them. Some species like the oriental magpie robin and Asian cole are known for their melodious morning songs. If you're interested in nocturnal birds such as owls and nightjars, you'll need to venture out at night. Each season brings its own birding opportunities: monsoon for forest breeders, summer for ground nesters, and winter for migratory visitors. There's always something new to discover, no matter the time of year. Starting with the basics, all you need is a pen, a notebook, and a good bird book. For beginners, the Book of Indian Birds by Dr. Salim Ali is highly recommended. As you get more involved, binoculars become essential for observing distant or shy birds. A pair with 8x42 specifications is great for forests, while 10x50 is ideal for water birds. There are many brands to choose from, so pick one that fits your budget. For coastal birding, a spotting scope with higher magnification can be very helpful. Photography adds a new dimension to birdwatching. Capturing birds in action can be both challenging and rewarding. A good camera with a strong zoom lens allows you to take clear photos even from a distance. Many digital cameras now offer super zoom features, making them excellent tools for birders. Remember, photography can be as simple or as advanced as you want. Choose equipment that matches your interest and budget. Documenting your sightings through photos also helps in identification and sharing your experiences with others. What you wear can make a difference in your bird watching experience. If you're heading into green areas or forests, wear shades of green to blend in. In dry grasslands, browns work best. While camouflage isn't necessary, it can help you get closer to birds without disturbing them. Don't forget a hat or cap for sun protection and sturdy shoes to guard against thorns or insects. In wet areas, waterproof sandals are practical. Always carry a rucksack with essentials like snacks, mosquito repellent, and sunscreen. Technology has made bird identification easier than ever. The Bombay Natural History Society has launched the Internet of Birds mobile app, which uses artificial intelligence to identify over 600 common Indian bird species. The app works offline and is available for both Android and iOS devices. Users can also contribute their own bird photos to help improve the app. This citizen science initiative makes bird identification accessible and interactive for everyone, enhancing the birding experience. Birds communicate through a variety of calls and songs. Learning to recognize these sounds can greatly enhance your bird watching skills. Websites like Xenocanto offer a vast collection of bird sound recordings from around the world, including India. You can listen, download, and even share your own recordings. Recording bird sounds is easy with free apps like Recforge II or Recforge Lite, available on Android. Professional equipment exists, but for beginners, a smartphone is more than enough to get started. Keeping a record of your bird sightings is a valuable habit. Many birdwatchers use personal diaries, but sharing your data with citizen science platforms like eBird helps scientists track bird populations and study trends. The eBird app, managed by the Cornell Lab, allows you to create checklists, upload photos and sounds, and explore global bird data. Your contributions help build a better understanding of bird distribution and the effects of climate change in India. Being a responsible birdwatcher means respecting both birds and their habitats. Always seek permission before entering restricted areas, pay any required fees, and follow designated trails. Avoid making loud noises, replaying bird calls, or disturbing nests and chicks. Never litter, and if possible, help clean up the environment. If you witness illegal activities like poaching or forest fires, report them to the authorities. By following these guidelines, you help protect birds and ensure the sustainability of bird watching for future generations. If you're eager to deepen your knowledge, several courses are available in India. The Bombay Natural History Society offers an 11-month hybrid certificate course in ornithology, combining online study with field visits and camps. For those with a background in biology, a 2-year MSc in ornithology and conservation biology is available at the Salim Ali Center for Ornithology and Nature in Coimbatore. These programs provide hands-on experience and expert guidance for aspiring ornithologists. Bird morphology refers to the structure and form of birds. Familiarizing yourself with basic bird anatomy helps in accurate identification. Key features include the beak, wings, tail, and various feather types. Illustrations in the book show the different body parts and wing composition, making it easier to understand the terminology used in bird descriptions. This foundational knowledge is essential for anyone serious about bird watching. Birds play a crucial role in controlling pests. Species like house sparrows, cattle egrets, and black drongos feed on insects that can damage crops. Predatory birds such as chikras and barn owls help control populations of rats and mice, protecting agricultural yields. This natural pest control reduces the need for chemical pesticides, benefiting both farmers and the environment. Birds are truly nature's own pest management team. Many birds, such as sunbirds and flowerpeckers, feed on nectar and play a vital role in pollinating plants. As they move from flower to flower, they help in cross-pollination, which is essential for plant reproduction. This service supports biodiversity and the health of ecosystems. Without birds, many plants would struggle to reproduce, affecting the entire food chain. Scavenger birds like vultures and crows are essential for keeping the environment clean. They feed on dead animals, preventing the spread of disease and maintaining ecological balance. The decline of vultures in India has led to an increase in stray dog populations and related health issues. Protecting scavenger birds is vital for public health and environmental cleanliness. Root-eating birds like bulbuls, hornbills, and starlings help disperse seeds across forests. As they eat fruits, they carry seeds to new locations, often far from the parent plant. Some seeds, like those of figs, require passage through a bird's digestive system to germinate. This process supports forest regeneration and the spread of plant species, making birds key players in ecosystem health. Birds have inspired countless scientific discoveries and inventions. The study of bird flight led to the development of airplanes, while the silent flight of owls inspired noise-reducing materials. Observing birds continues to inform research in aerodynamics and engineering. Their unique adaptations and behaviors offer endless opportunities for learning and innovation. Because birds are sensitive to environmental changes, they act as early warning systems for issues like climate change. Their presence, absence, or behavior can indicate shifts in habitat quality, pollution levels, or ecosystem health. Monitoring bird populations helps scientists detect and address environmental problems before they become critical. Birds contribute to the aesthetic value of our surroundings. Their songs and vibrant colors enhance the beauty of any landscape, making them a source of joy and inspiration. Many people dream of living in places where birds sing in the morning, reflecting our deep connection to nature. Bird watching brings us closer to this beauty, enriching our daily lives. Bird tourism is a growing industry in India, attracting visitors from around the world to biodiversity hotspots. Local guides, homestays, and birding tour provide jobs and support conservation efforts. Events like bird festivals and counts raise awareness and encourage sustainable forest management. By valuing birds as a source of income, communities are motivated to protect habitats and wildlife. Birds have historically provided economic benefits through feathers, nest products, and guano. While the trade in most bird feathers is now banned, peacock feathers are still used. Edible nest swiftlets produce nests that are harvested for soup, providing income to local communities. Bird droppings or guano are a valuable fertilizer, especially in areas where birds breed in large colonies. These resources highlight the practical value of birds beyond their ecological role. India is a key region for bird migration, with many species traveling vast distances each year. The Bombay Natural History Society has conducted extensive bird ringing and tagging studies since 1927, helping to map migration routes and understand bird movements. Modern techniques like satellite tracking and color tagging have improved our ability to monitor and protect migratory birds. These studies are crucial for conservation and international cooperation. If you spot a bird with a tag, leg, flag, or collar, you can contribute to science by reporting it to the Bombay Natural History Society. They have a dedicated email and a user-friendly app for submitting sightings. Your report helps researchers track migration patterns and improve conservation strategies. Every observation counts in building a better understanding of bird movements across India and beyond. Bird marking in India follows specific protocols to ensure consistency and scientific value. Different methods are used, such as metal rings, color flags, neck collars, and wing tags. The placement and color of tags vary by region and year, making it easier to track individual birds and their movements. These standardized methods help researchers gather reliable data and collaborate with international partners. The book features several examples of marked birds, such as gray plovers, redshanks, bar-headed geese, and flamingos. These birds are tagged with rings, flags, or collars, each carrying unique codes for identification. Resightings of these birds provide valuable information about their migration routes, stopover sites, and population trends. Every sighting adds a piece to the puzzle of bird migration in India. Little grebe or Tachybaphtis ruficalis is the smallest among diving ducks in India. It's easily recognized by its dark brown plumage, rufous neck, and bright yellow gape. During non-breeding seasons, its colors become duller. Little grebes are widespread residents found in lakes, ponds, and reservoirs across India. They feed on aquatic insects, small fish, and frogs, diving underwater to catch their prey. Their distinctive terrier-eerie call is often heard near water bodies. Adult egrets or Bubolchus ibis are all-white birds with yellow bills and dark legs. During breeding, they develop rufous plumes and their legs turn red. These social birds are often seen following cattle or farm machinery, feeding on insects disturbed by the animals. They are widespread residents across India, thriving in farmlands, marshes, and even city garbage dumps. Their diet includes insects, frogs, mice, and lizards, making them valuable allies for farmers. Little egret, Egretta garzetta, is a slim, delicate bird with a long black bill, black legs, and striking yellow feet. During breeding, it develops long plumes and its lores turn reddish. Little egrets are found in both freshwater and saltwater habitats, including ponds, rivers, and estuaries. Their diet consists of insects, fish, frogs, and small reptiles. These graceful birds are widespread residents, though absent from some parts of northwest and northeast India. Intermediate egrets, Mesophoix intermedia, are medium-sized with a rounded head and a short yellow bill tipped with black. During breeding, their bill turns black and they develop beautiful plumes. They inhabit both freshwater and saltwater wetlands, feeding on fish, frogs, and insects. These birds are widespread residents, though not found in some parts of northwest and northeast India. Their harsh croaking calls are often heard during the breeding season. Great egret, Chasmarodius albus, stands out with its large size, slim white body, black legs, and heavy yellow beak. During breeding, its bill turns black and legs become reddish with beautiful plumes appearing on its back. Great egrets are found in wetlands, lakes, and rivers, feeding on fish, frogs, small mammals, and occasionally insects. They are widespread residents, adding elegance to India's water landscapes. Gray herons, Ardea cinerea, are large birds with ashy gray upperparts and grayish-white underparts. Adults have a white head and neck with a black crest, while juveniles are duller. They are known for their slow, graceful flight and loud croaking calls. Gray herons are found in swamps, lakes, and rocky islands, feeding on fish, amphibians, small mammals, and even juvenile birds. They are both residents and migrants in India. Indian pond heron, Ardeola grayi, also known as the paddybird, is a medium-sized heron with a dark brown back and white wings. During breeding, its head and neck turn yellowish-brown and it develops long plumes. These birds are common in marshes, ponds, and paddy fields, feeding on crustaceans, insects, fish, and amphibians. Their silent nature and sudden flight make them a familiar sight in wetlands across India. Asian openbill, Anastomas occitans, is a stork with dirty white plumage and glossy black wings and tail. Its unique bill with a gap between the upper and lower mandibles is specially adapted for handling snails, its main prey. These birds are found in paddy fields, lakes, and irrigation canals, feeding on snails, mussels, frogs, and aquatic insects. Their pink legs turn bright during breeding, and they are widespread residents across India. Birds are not just subjects for study, they are part of our daily lives. From the sparrows in our gardens to the herons in local ponds, they enrich our environment and connect us to nature. Observing their behaviors, songs, and interactions offers endless opportunities for learning and enjoyment. By appreciating and protecting birds, we also safeguard the health and beauty of our natural world. Birdwatching is an activity that transcends age and background. Children, adults, and seniors alike can enjoy the thrill of spotting a new species or listening to a bird's song. It's a hobby that encourages patience, observation, and a deeper connection with the environment. Whether you're alone or with friends and family, birding offers a peaceful escape and a chance to learn together. Every bird watcher can play a role in conservation. By sharing your observations, supporting local initiatives, and spreading awareness, you help protect birds and their habitats. Simple actions like planting native trees, avoiding pesticides, and participating in citizen science projects make a real difference. Together, we can ensure that India's rich bird life thrives for generations to come. Birds hold a special place in Indian culture and mythology. From the peacock, India's national bird, to the owl, considered the vehicle of goddess Lakshmi, birds are woven into stories, art, and traditions. Their presence in festivals, literature, and daily life reflects their importance beyond ecology. Appreciating birds also means celebrating their cultural significance and the inspiration they bring. Birdwatching is more than a hobby, it's a source of joy, relaxation, and discovery. Each outing brings new surprises, whether it's spotting a rare visitor or simply enjoying the chorus of familiar birds. The more you observe, the more you appreciate the intricate lives and behaviors of these remarkable creatures. Birding connects us to the rhythms of nature and reminds us of the wonders that surround us every day. We've explored the basics of birdwatching, the importance of birds, and met some of India's most common species. Remember, birding is a journey, there's always more to learn and discover. Use the resources and tips shared here to start or deepen your birdwatching adventure. By observing, recording, and sharing your experiences, you become part of a vibrant community working to protect India's avian treasures. Happy birding!